Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to revolutionize the way you create PowerPoint presentations? Well, buckle up because today I'm going to show you how to make a stunning PowerPoint presentation in just 1 minute with the help of ChatGPT, your AI companion. Let's dive right in. First of all, open your preferred web browser. For here, I'm going to be choosing Chrome. Then type in make presentation with AI. Here are lots of options, but I'm going to be choosing free pick. Once the website is open, tap on get started. Here you'll need to provide the topic, how many number of slides do you want, and in which language do you want to make your presentation on, and also the writing tone. You can also choose the various styles and templates of slides. After doing so, tap on generate presentation. Now you'll be prompted to log in or sign up from your account. Choose your account and sign in. Now ChatGPT is generating your presentation. It may take up some time, so wait for it patiently. In the left hand side, you can polish and personalize with lots of options like text, templates, photos, and many more. You can choose your own as well. And there you have it, a stunning, informative PowerPoint presentation created in just 1 minute with the help of ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.